Hi there, my name is Miranda Dressler. I'm an attorney with the law offices of Bridget Mackay in Petaluma, California, and we practice in the areas of estate planning, administration, and elder law. And today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about probate, specifically if you're acting as the executor in a probate, whether you should accept compensation or waive it. Because when you act as an executor in a probate proceeding, it's work and you're spending time and a large portion out of your life doing that work. And so under California law, an executor is entitled to compensation for doing that job. And it's based on, the law, which states how much compensation an executor will get. And it ultimately is going to be based on the total value of the assets that are going through the probate process. But a consideration of whether an executor should accept compensation or waive compensation can often come down to the specifics of the probate itself. So for example, if there's a surviving spouse who's acting as the executor for their spouse who has passed away, if the surviving spouse is inheriting the entire estate, it might not make sense for them to accept compensation, because if they accept the compensation, that's going to be considered taxable income to them. Whereas the inheritance that they're receiving is not taxable as income to them. On the other hand, let's say a parent passed away and there were a couple of siblings who were inheriting, and that one of those children were acting as executor. Well, in that situation, the sibling who's acting as executor might want to consider accepting compensation because they've taken a lot of time out of their own lives to do that work. So that, it's important that if you're in that situation that you meet with a CPA, look at how much compensation you would be receiving and what effect that might have on your own tax situation. So it's not necessarily a black and white issue, and it is something to talk to your probate attorney and your tax person about, whether you want to accept that compensation or potentially waive it. So if you have any questions about this topic or any other estate planning topic, you should contact an experienced estate planning attorney in your area. Thank you.